Discovering the characteristics. We shall now discover the characteristics of the tangent function. Consider the tangent function that we plotted before. Y equals tan theta. Domain. As we have seen before, the domain of any function is the set of all possible theta values for which the function exists. We have only considered theta values from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Here, theta takes all real number values from 0 degrees to 360 degrees, except 90 degrees and 270 degrees, as the tangent function is undefined at these 2 points. Therefore, domain of the tangent function can be given as domain theta such that 0 degrees lesser than or equal to theta lesser than or equal to 360 degrees, theta not equal to 90 degrees and 270 degrees. Range. The range of the function is the set of all possible y values of the function. Notice that y can take all real number values, since the graph is not bounded but open and discontinuous. Thus the range of the function can be given as range f of theta such that f of theta is any real number. Turning points. The graph of a function turns at a turning point. Here, the graph of y equals tan theta is unbounded on both sides. Hence there are no turning points. Note that at theta equals 90 degrees and theta equals 270 degrees, the function is undefined. Therefore they cannot be called turning points. Intercepts with the axes. A function is said to intercept an axis when it cuts or touches it. The tangent function that intercepts the x-axis at various points, such as 0 degrees, 0, 180 degrees, 0, and 360 degrees, 0, and y-axis at the origin, that is 0 degrees, 0. Note that the origin is both the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Period. Recall the shape of the tangent function. The wave takes 180 degrees to complete one cycle, that is, from the y value of negative infinity to 0 to positive infinity. This is called the period of the tangent function, which is 180 degrees. Amplitude. The maximum height of a bounded function, such as the sine function or the cosine function, above and below the x-axis, is called its amplitude. The tangent function is unbounded and therefore has no amplitude. Asymptotes. If the distance between a line and the graph of a function approaches 0, but the two never intersect, then the line is known as the asymptote of the function. The tangent function has one such asymptote at theta equals 90 degrees. The other asymptote is theta equals 270 degrees.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.